Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Now we'll be starting with question paper solution for Fourier series of December 13 paper. So I write my first question, that is question number 5a. Obtain half range series for f of x is equal to x square in 0 to 3. Start with solution. We need to obtain half range sine series. So I define f of x, which is equal to summation bn into sine n pi x divided by L. So that's a general series. So we need to write n pi x divided by L, where we can write value for L is 3. So therefore f of x comes to be summation bn sine n pi x divided by 3. So we'll find bn. So bn comes to be 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x into sine n pi x divided by L dx, which you can write as 2 by 3, 0 to 3, f of x is x square into sine n pi x divided by 3 dx. So let's integrate this. So 2 by 3 comes outside. Now integration of this comes to be x square into minus cos n pi x divided by 3 whole divided by n pi by 3 minus x square comes to be 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x, and again here this comes minus sine n pi x divided by 3 and whole divided by n square pi square divided by 9. Further, plus differentiation of 2x is 2. Integration of sine L will be minus sine, so this becomes plus, and so cos of n pi x divided by 3 divided by n cube pi cube divided by one more 3, so that comes to be 27. The limits are 0 to 3. Now let's substitute the limit. So I get here, I'll just do it in the next page. So I get bn as 2 by 3. Now I substitute upper limit. When we substitute upper limit, here I can get 9. So I write minus 9 into here 3 by n pi, that is 3 by n pi, and when I substitute here 3, so 3 and 3 gets cancelled, so cos n pi. Further, this minus becomes plus 2 into 3, or you can say directly 3 and 3 is sin n pi. So sin n pi is 0, so second term becomes 0, so I can write here minus 0. And third term comes to be 2 into 27 divided by n cube pi cube, so that is plus 2 into 27 divided by n cube pi cube. 3 and 3 gets cancelled, cos n pi. So that's my first limit. Second is, so that comes minus lower limit is 0. So first term is 0, second term is 0. When we put cos 0 here, we again get plus of 2. So that is 2 into 27 divided by n cube pi cube, and cos 0 is 1. So we can say here finally bn will be 2 by 3. So this is minus 27 divided by cos n pi. Next is plus 2 into 27, 54 divided by n cube pi cube cos n pi, and the last is minus 54 divided by n cube pi cube. So we can write here bn comes to be 2 by 3 minus 27 divided by n pi minus 1 raised to n. From here we can take common, that is plus 54 divided by n cube pi cube, and this comes to be minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So that's Bn. We can substitute Bn in f of x. So f of x comes to be summation 2 by 3 minus 27 divided by n pi minus 1 raised to n plus 54 divided by n cube pi cube minus 1 raised to n minus 1, and further I get this will be multiplying to sine of n pi x divided by 3. So that's my f of x. Thank you for watching video in 5 minutes.